So today I'm going to show you on how to fix the export not working issue in CapCut, so you can finally save your video without errors. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is close out of CapCut. This will take you back to the home page. Then after that, go to the top right hand corner and click on Settings. Then scroll until you find Cache Size and click on the trash icon. A prompt will appear asking if you want to clear all cache files. Go ahead and confirm. This won't affect your project history, but take note, if you use effects or other materials, you may need to download them again later. After clearing the cache, press save. Then close CapCut again. Once it's done, restart your PC, open CapCut, and try to check if the exporting issue is fixed. If it's still not working, go back to settings, then select performance. Here, uncheck the option speed up hardware encoding. Close and try exporting again, and if the problem continues, make sure you're not using any pro features while on a free version of CapCut, because that can actually also cause export failures. So that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to get your CapCut export working smoothly again.